Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable TV stands that are available on the market for their true quality. My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Tripod TV Portable Height Adjustable Floor Stand. This functional TV stand is perfect for those looking for high-quality and well-priced unit. It's fit for many TVs in the market including plasma, LED, and LCD. The lightweight stand is easy to use and placing a TV on it is also very simple. This is credited to the beautiful design and good engineering. Furthermore, the space-saving nature makes it fit for many locations including small apartments and studios. It is well built from high-grade material to bear regular movements, knocks, bangs and will keep the TV secure. It comes already assembled and can install in a short time using ordinary tools. Moving on at number 4, we have the Designs 2Go 2-tier TV stand. You don't need heavy or bulky TV units or stand. With this stand, your TV will be well suited and very secure. It can handle a range of TV sizes and comes with a simple-to-mount design. It is compatible with different TV types and brands and is built from a strong material for longevity. In addition to that, the strong seams and joints ensure it doesn't crack or break due to weight or movement. It comes in a clutter-free design that keeps the surrounding well organized and added elegance. The high-quality piece is ranked among the most affordable. At number 3, we have the Universal Flat-Screen Tabletop TV Stand. You don't need to drill your walls or invest in wall units. This product is modern-looking and desirable. It's effortless to use thanks to its fully functional design and can be placed in many situations. This strongly built unit can support different TV sizes, weights, and brands without issues and is among the simplest to use. And like other top types, it's very movable but still remains firm. The contemporary design and finish bring out a sophisticated look that will look awesome with most interior decors, both modern and traditional. At number 2, we have the Universal Portable TV Stand. This universally designed stand is perfect for different types of TVs and will work with small, medium as well as large ones. The high-quality piece is made of durable metal that will handle regular movement, weight, and handling well. It is resistant to color fade, corrosion, rust and is also easy to maintain. Besides that, all that's required is wiping it with a clean cloth or rag. It's designed for flat TVs including plasma, LCD, and LED and mounting a TV takes only a few minutes. The clutter-free and space-saving design improves organization and makes it ideal even for small spaces. And finally at number 1, we have the Rolling TV Stand. This product will fit in most homes thanks to its practical design. It is relatively small compared to other options but is perfect for any house and can handle heavy weights pretty well. It features an adjustable height for varying the viewing angle and can easily be moved from one location to another with ease. In addition, consumers love the sleek finish that gives it the elegance and also helps to complement the interior decor. This makes it a good choice for traditional or modern drilled homes. Although lightweight, this stand is strong and also long-lasting. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.